It's 4:30 in the morning. I haven't had coffee. I haven't checked my phone. And I'm about to do something that terrified me for 30 straight days. This is the morning routine of a Japanese Buddhist monk, and it completely transformed my life in ways I never expected. I'm not gonna lie, day one almost broke me. The alarm went off at 4:30 a.m. and every fiber of my being wanted to quit. But I made a promise. 30 days. No excuses. And what happened by day 30? I became a completely different person. So why did I do this? Simple. I was stuck. My mornings were chaotic, hitting snooze 5 times, scrolling Instagram before my feet hit the floor, running late, feeling anxious before the day even started. I needed something radical. Then I discovered how Japanese monks have been mastering their mornings for over 1,200 years. If it worked for them, maybe it could work for me. Let me take you through the 10 practices that changed everything. What actually happened during this challenge and why you might want to try this yourself even if you're not trying to become a monk. Number 1, the 4:30 a.m. wake-up call. The first thing you need to know? Monks don't wake up gradually. There's no snooze button. At 4:30 a.m. sharp, you get up immediately. The first week was brutal. I'm talking physical pain, mental fog, questioning all my life choices. But here's what nobody tells you about waking up this early. The world is silent, no notifications, no demands, just you. By day 15, something shifted. I started waking up before the alarm. My body adapted, and that quiet hour before sunrise became sacred. Number 2, cold water purification. Forget your warm shower. The second thing monks do is splash ice-cold water on their face multiple times. This isn't about hygiene. It's about shocking your system awake and practicing discomfort. I'll be honest, this never got easier. Day 1, I yelped. Day 30, I still yelped, but it worked. That cold water obliterated any remaining sleepiness. 3 splashes and I was fully present. Science backs this up. Too cold exposure triggers alertness hormones and reduces inflammation. The monks knew this centuries ago. Number 3, zazen sitting meditation. After the cold water, it's time for zazen. That's seated Zen meditation. 20 minutes, just sitting, facing a wall, watching your breath. Sounds simple, right? It's excruciating. Your back hurts. Your mind races. You want to check the time every 30 seconds? But here's what I learned: meditation isn't about stopping thoughts, it's about watching them pass like clouds. Week 1, tortured. Week 2, restless. Week 3, something clicked. By week 4, those 20 minutes became the most peaceful part of my entire day. My anxiety levels dropped noticeably. I could handle stress better. My mind felt cleaner. Number 4, sutra chanting. Monks chant Buddhist sutras every morning, repetitive sacred texts in rhythmic Japanese. I don't speak Japanese, so I used recordings and phonetically learned one short sutra. This felt weird at first. Really weird. But the repetition, the vibration in your chest, it's like a reset button for your nervous system. By day 20, I understood why monks have done this for centuries. It's meditative. It's grounding. It requires zero thought, just presence. Number 5, temple cleaning samu. Here's where it gets interesting. Monks spend 30 to 45 minutes every morning cleaning the temple. It's called samu working meditation. I don't have a temple, so I cleaned my apartment. Mindfully, slowly, every surface, every corner. No podcast, no music, just cleaning. This transformed my relationship with chores. Cleaning wasn't a burden anymore, it was a practice, moving meditation in my living space. Spotless. For the first time in years, that external order created internal order. Number 6, mindful walking. After cleaning, monks do kinhinslo, deliberate walking meditation. Each step is intentional. You're fully present in the movement. I walked around my neighborhood at dawn, slowly, observing everything. The way light hit the trees, the sound of birds, my own footsteps. This rewired my brain. We're always rushing, always distracted. This taught me that slowness isn't laziness, it's awareness. Awareness changes everything.